Hey, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your vertical in TikTok Shop as an affiliate. Sometimes you ask the question, what is a vertical? What does that even mean? Maybe you're new or you're gaining traction and you're not really sure what your vertical is so that you can stay in that lane. I would like to say that it is a niche, and now it's this new terminology called vertical. But I'm going to show you, but also real quick, I'm going to read to you what your vertical is. All right. So what does it mean to be verticalized? Right here, if you want to read along with me, a vertical creator dedicates a significant portion of their shoppable and non-shoppable content and product recommendations around a primary TikTok Shop product vertical. Becoming a vertical creator supports your monetization journey by helping you to establish your expertise on our platform. All right. Grow your niche audience and give people a reason to trust your recommendations. Now, there are 8 vertical categories. All right. Beauty and personal care. That's 1. Health and wellness, fashion and style, sports and outdoor, home, auto, tech and office books, and pet supplies. Now, for a minute, I was in tech and office books. All right. But now I'm in fashion, and I'm going to show you how to find it. But real quick, let's go to number 2. Why should I become a vertical creator? Because some of us, if you ever heard of the 70-20-10 rule, meaning 70% of your content should be what you're known for, your main categories, and 20% should be a subcategory of that or a spinoff, and then 10% can be whatever random trending seasonal products at the time. But as our platform is growing, the creator economy is evolving fast. When creators on TikTok Shop verticalize, they're able to drive conversions. That's what we want, right? We want to make sure that when we're making videos, it's converting across all stages of the sales funnel. By sharing your expertise in a vertical, you reach the right audience, build trust, and drive more engagement and conversions. So by sharing your expertise in a vertical, you are reaching the right audience, okay? And you're driving more conversions to your videos. So if you're someone who doesn't want to be out there just wasting time, and I seen a video before and they said, hey, you're screwing yourself up. You're messing yourself up because you're getting all of these samples and, we want certain things. And instead of focusing on our vertical or what we're really known for or what we really specialize in, right? What's really selling the most, we're getting all this other stuff for our home, our house, our friends, right? And we're having to fulfill these samples. And so you will get to a point in TikTok Shop as an affiliate where you're saying, okay, you know what? I've reached $2,000 a month. Man, I can't seem to break past $2,000 a month, or now maybe you've reached $5,000 a month and you can't seem to break past that, right? 8,000, 10,000, and so on. And so what you want to do is make sure you're doing the 70-20-10, but at the same time, know that if I keep getting all these random samples, TikTok's not even going to know how to verticalize or how to, push all of my content. Who do I push it to? And so right now we're on my second account. Click on the shop icon. Go ahead and go to the Creator Center. Click on your image, right? The image picture of you, right? It's 11:30 in the morning here. And I'm going to go down to privacy settings. Click on privacy settings. And once it takes forever to get there, once you go down, you'll see show sellers my main category. And at the end of that, it says home and lifestyle fashion. So for this second account, my vertical is home and lifestyle fashion, meaning, vacuums, tables, furniture, clothing, right? Watches, fashion, things of that nature, colognes, perfume. That's how you would find that. Now you can toggle that off, but just to clarify, even right there, it says show sellers my main category. But if you scroll down a little more, even where it says show agencies my main category, and it's the same thing, home and lifestyle and fashion, and accelerate your community growth. How it works, okay? Everybody wants to know, okay, so exactly what, happens, Our system identifies your recently published vertical content and gives it the opportunity to be exposed to more viewers. The more engaging your content, the more views it can gain. Now, what I want to show you, right? I'm going to go to my main account right now, and I just want to show you, I recently decided, okay, you know what? Let's assume that they're actually pushing this vertical content stuff, and let me focus on that a little bit. And so right here, we go down. Now, I've been promoting crossbody bags. I've been selling them left and right, right? That's in the fashion category, okay? And of course, jumpsuits. But if we scroll down, what does it have my main category in? Now, my main category is different. It shows electronics and fashion, not home, electronics and fashion. However, I still have things that I like to promote, 70-20-10. 10%, I want to promote random stuff, right? So I have a dog bowl, right? It says electronics and fashion. That's not electronics and fashion. I got 21 views. You go over here to microphones, 65. I just uploaded that one late last night. Now, I'm known for pocket knives also, 3,900 views, right? Fashion, perfume, 970. The shoe rack, 765. All right. I got a dual side cutting board on there, only 78, 67. So it's not getting that extra push. Crossbody bag right there in the middle, 550 views. It's getting an extra push. Cologne right here, 1,150 views. That falls in the fashion category. It's getting the push. So you'll see certain videos are over a certain threshold. You've ever heard of being in the view jail, 200, 300, view jail. And so you'll see there are certain products that have already reached over that amount. 1,257 views on a crossbody bag on your bottom right. Microphones in the middle, over 400, 500, 698, 700. And so you will see, that certain videos, you also want to make sure you have a good hook as well. Also a physical hook. Shoes on the bottom right, 2,300 views. Now, these aren't viral videos, but it's showing you that if you listen to TikTok and if they put you in a category you don't want to be in, okay, that's one thing. Post your way out of it and maybe only post about certain things. All right. You can change your vertical. All right. It's just like they said, they're looking at your most recent content. All right. And so if your most recent content is only a particular something, you will be in a different vertical. All right. Fragrance, all right, Hugo, 1,500 views. And so you will see fragrance, you go down here, fashion, fragrance. So that is how you find your vertical, okay? I want to make sure that I'm clear on something. I also don't just post one video. It's wise to post more than 5 or 10 videos per sample that you get, not the samples that are your 10% or your 20%, but your 70%, that is your main niche, your main vertical, your main category. Those are the ones where you definitely want to make more than 5, 10, 15 videos, different angles, different hooks, trying something different. Okay. It's not rocket science. It's something that's going to take some practice. Check out your analytics, see what's working. I did a video not too long ago about looking at your click-through rates, click-through percentage. Right. So if we go over here and we go to check what's lately been selling, and you scroll down here, you see microphones, CarPlay. Now, if I click over on the right where it says view all for product performance, here is the video. But if you click on, content performance is where I meant. Content performance down there. So not at the top, but down there. If you click on the actual picture, it's going to bring up the video. This right here, that's not what you want. Okay, so go back, click on the right, the title and all of that. And this is where you're going to see CTR 6.4. That means 6% of the people that are watching this video are actually clicking on the link. Okay, you go over to the right, click to order rate, meaning 3% clicked on it and they ordered. So that's actually good. If you ask me, anything over 3% for people that are actually clicking on the link and they're ordering, that's what I want to make more videos on. All right, CarPlay, let's click on that description right there. 25% of people that watched this video clicked on it. Click to order rate. I didn't even know this for this product right here. All right. 100% of the people who clicked on the link, bought it. Now that's, of course, one sold, right? So it's basically saying, I had 3 views today, right? And that's actually pretty good. Out of the 3 views that I got, 1 person bought it. So if every 3 views, I get somebody that's going to buy it, moneymaker. Now, mind you, I had a dream about this product and I woke up and I came in here and I made 3 different videos off of 3 different CarPlays. And guess what? Weeks later, now they're paying off. They're selling. Why? Because I know how to make CarPlay videos. I have it in my car. I talk about it. I use it. I know the ins and outs, the camera, the different ways to connect it. So if you know ins and outs of something, so you got to ask yourself, am I here to make videos just to get the samples done? Or am I here to make money, pay the bills, go on a vacation, do those things that I really normally couldn't do? All right. So keep that in mind, right? Find your vertical, find your niche, create that content. All right. And you will be on your way. You will see success start rolling in. All right. If you like this video, go ahead and share it with someone who can benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel. I make a ton of videos like this. All right. That will help you out on TikTok Shop as an affiliate and even just content creation in general. All right. I will see you on the next video.